point of this is for customers who have parts in the booth that they want to paint. They could prep and primer everything, go into the booth with a tray of colors, and do a quick cleaning by putting the gun under here, turn like so, do a flush. We have a brush. If you want to use a flow-through brush, we can now clean like so. And we finish by blowing dry. The clean solution is in this pail, 2.5 gallons. We supply a quart bottle. This material, you would put half a bottle of this in that comes with, and the rest with distilled or deionized water. And the waste comes over here, which needs to be disposed of properly.